We're here to learn about public speaking. In this episode, we're going to learn how to use your voice to enhance your image. Now, I'm not just talking about your literal voice, but this is more the metaphorical voice, your point of view, your philosophy, your school of thought. If you have the opportunity to give some kind of talk, I want you to remember this: speaking is a privilege. You're there to share your philosophy, your ideas. Allow me now to share 3 key ways to use your voice to enhance your image. Number 1, use your own branded, memorable phrases in every time you talk. Me, whenever I give a speech, I like to say, "Let me ask you this," or "Is that cool with everybody?" Become known for your own terms to the point where, hey, the audience might even finish your sentences. See, I knew you were going to say that. Yeah, you finished it, didn't you? Number 2, don't overact or dramatize. It doesn't look approachable. Aristotle once said that speaking is nothing more than enlarged conversation. So when you give a talk, you don't want to be Michael Buffer from the Mike Tyson matches. You know, he's the guy whenever they have a boxing match, "Let's get ready to rumble!" Don't do that. That can't be you. Your goal is to be the same on stage as you are off stage. Number 3, cross-sell. Every time you talk, you be sure that your audience knows what else you do. You never know, after the speech, somebody could come up to you and say, "Hey, Mike, I really enjoyed your program. You talked about your coaching. Well, I'd like to learn more about that." These subtle hints give someone an opportunity to approach you to learn more about your business. These simple keys will allow you, in every program that you give, to connect with your audience and to be sure that they remember the information.